Hi everyone, Spencer from Lathams Restoration. Just thought I'd make a very quick video of another E30 M3 project that we're carrying out. Basically this is a full restoration of a genuine E30 M3, and this car's going to be going black, so it's going to be absolutely beautiful. You can show all the lines off with the body panels, but also the paint will need to be dead flat, the bodywork will need to be perfect. So yeah, just thought I'd make a video just showing the underside of the car. This is another one which has been prepped over the last 6 or 7 months, and yeah, it's full restoration, full bare metal restoration, all genuine metal work, so genuine metal work on the rear quarters, back panel, C-pillar, everything. So gonna be like a brand new car once it's done. So I'll keep the videos coming. Just sort of make a very quick video of the underside of the car before we apply the undersealer. It's the last time that'll see the light of day for the next 20 or 30 years. Just also want to show areas that we mask up. So we mask up around the bush eyelets, fuel tank mounts, anti-roll bar mounts, fuel tank mounts that side, under tray heat shield mounts, gearbox, transmission tunnel mounting points, prop shaft mounting points. Any thread that we can see we try and mask up, so we don't have trouble getting it off later on, but there's always ones you have to tap out and fix after the undersealer's been applied, because it just gets everywhere. So engine mounts, engine subframe mounting points, bush eyelet mounting points. We finished the undersealer on that seam there, and then any threads along the front, we masked up the front panel off. We're going to do all the inner wing all the way around on both sides, so that it's got more undersealer on it than it had from factory. And then we're going to obviously have a wet on wet contact and paint the underside of the car black once the undersealer is applied. So we have to paint that on within 6 hours, but up to half an hour after we apply the last coat. So as you can see, the rest of the car is fully masked off because we don't want any of that undersealer getting anywhere else. But yeah, so I will obviously keep you guys updated and keep the videos coming, and you'll see the build progress of this car and how beautiful it's going to turn out. Cheers. If you like what you see, there are many more videos. Please give us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye.